that a lot of people are using and a lot of people are buying. So if you take advantage of the right design at the right time, you can really make a lot of money selling t-shirts. So what I want to show you guys is that you don't have to have any real skill in graphic design and graphic arts to sell t-shirts or to make t-shirts. You don't need to know Photoshop really well or anything like that. It's a lot of companies out there that will sell you the designs. All you have to do is have the correct platform to basically put the t-shirts together, which I'll show you, and get the t-shirts out for sale, as I talked about with Shopify, how you can set this whole thing up. We're going to get into that in a little bit. A lot of people have questions about that as well, but it's a simple process when you understand. But it's a lot of companies out there, as I said. You know, if you were to come up with t-shirts of your own, or take designs, like let's say you want to use, you know, Thanos is big right now from the Avengers movie. That's a t-shirt that's selling a lot. If you wanted to use that image, you know, you would have to get licensing and everything like that. But a lot of these companies already have the licensing, and it will basically, you know, sell you Deadpool designs, Thanos, Dragon Ball Z, whatever you want. They have it for you to put on shirts and go ahead and sell, and not have to worry about licensing and everything like that. I have to worry about copyright, you know, or anything like that. It's all taken care of. So, you know, it's a lot of different sites and creative ways you can do this, and a lot of ways you can really, you know, test the market as far as designs and what's selling and what people are looking for. And it's just so many different places out there. So I'm going to be getting into basically one of the sites that I use, and one of the places I get designs from, and show you how this process works. So let's take a look. So here's the site right here, T-shirt Factory. And as you can see, you know, they have different designs. Deadpool is popular right now. It's coming out, Thanos. And you see how they really give you, you know, a good idea of what these shirts could look like. But you got to keep in mind also that you can really customize these and change them into what you want. I mean, Frieza with the Infinity Gauntlet, that's a pretty cool shirt. People might like that. And it's so many different things here. This design right here I actually use on one of my shirts. And there are very few people who really even know about these things, and I'm showing you guys because you're buying the series. But there's a lot of people who have, I also use this one, there's a lot of people who have no clue about a lot of these things. And you know, they make cool t-shirts if you edit them right and you do them correctly. You'll be surprised that, you know, when you advertise into different people all over, you'll be surprised the stuff that people like that they will actually buy and spend money on. But this is a site that you can go to and really get different ideas and designs, and you know, switch them over here to Photoshop. Here's one design right here, and as you can see, it's a little predator thing. You can customize it, you know, turn it off, change the color, you know, it's a lot of different things you can do. You know, just that little shadow right there, take it off, put it on, and you can really edit, you know, the entire thing and really change colors and put in your own unique design that you might like, you know. So for instance, let's just do something like this. Boom, change that color to kind of sort of match down here. That's the background, switch that back, and you know, you can really get into a lot of these places and make it what you like, add words or what have you, and just do cool things. I want to change colors. Okay, I guess it's part of the background, but yeah, you get the picture. You know, different things you can do here. But yeah, I'm just clicked on the mask right here. That's why it's only changing the mask. I just realized that. Yeah. But let's see if I click on something else here. Let's say, now I can change this as well. And yeah, you can customize it to whatever you want. And then, you know, once you're done doing that and you get it to your liking, if you had set up an account, Picture Aura is something you can use that you can combine with your Shopify account. And it's a woman's shirt. This is something you can just go on ahead and just, once you finish with your image, bring it in here. And this is a shirt that I sell right here, that Rise of the Queens, and you can of course adjust it and make it to how you want, but you can also change the color of the shirt. Let's try it on the black shirt or what have you, and it's simple. It'll give you an image ready for you to use if you want to put it on Instagram or what have you, but it will automatically push it to your Shopify website and have it available for sale, and you can add in the price and customize and everything like that. And it's a real simple way that you can get images, customize them and sell them, put them on t-shirts and sell them, and on other things and sell them as well. So definitely something you want to take advantage of. So now another huge way to make money, and I want to be giving you guys just different examples. We talked about a lot in the last part 3, and a lot of different ways you can make money, but I want you guys to really put your mind out there and think. It's so many different things that you see on a daily that's running through the timeline. A lot of people stay away from Facebook and Instagram, but if you really paying attention to what people are doing or what you're seeing, it's a lot of business opportunities out there that people are not really understanding how to make money from. That's simple. Now, one of the biggest things right now is the shoe craze. It's always been huge, but it's getting even bigger. And right now you have sneakers trading like stock. Like, it's literally like a stock exchange for sneakers right now, and what sneakers are buying and what they are selling at. Jordan may be probably one of the first sneakers like on the New York Stock Exchange eventually, because how the market is for his shoes. And what Jordan has effectively done, as well as Nike, is really create a lot of jobs and a lot of business opportunities for people. A lot of people don't understand how big this is. And I'm an avid shoe collector. Anybody who knows me, I collect sneakers, and I have quite a collection here and in Sweden as well. And I understand what this stuff goes for and how rare a lot of this stuff is. And a lot of people are just not seeing what's taking place. So you have to understand, you have, almost every year now being less and less because of the market, Jordan releasing retro sneakers. A lot of people know about this, and we all seen the whole craze, and a lot of people wasn't really understanding it. And it's been like a cool thing now to basically shun black people for buying Jordans or whatever like that. And I always say support black businesses no matter who they are, and no matter how much you like it. That image, that look of a successful black person is what we must keep. There's a lot of rich billionaire white folks out there that are shitty, but they are protected by their white folks, and they protect their people. We need to protect ours. And Jordan has been doing this thing, and he does a lot, as I talked about before. But in this case, this is amazing. This is huge. So what's going on is you have the Jordans releasing the retros, as I said, and a lot of them come out between let's say $140 to $200. You'll see them come out for. And the whole thing is, as you know, if you buy these sneakers, once they release, remember, the stores have raffles, which is why you see these lines. They have first come, first serve, which is why you see the lines. And whatever's left over, you get what you get. Your size may run out. You may be asked out. But when it's a rare sneaker coming out, or a popular sneaker coming out, what people do is, of course, they buy multiples. They'll buy multiple sneakers, and you have the pair if you're going to keep one for yourself. And then they have ones that they know they're going to sell later, because what happens is when these shoes sell out, the prices double or even triple or quadruple sometimes. Now, anybody knows if you bought the retro 11s, the all red ones, when they came out, they was $190. When they disappeared, they $400 and some change. And it's the same thing, with the 11s that's coming out in December. The black and white ones, they're going to be $190. You try to buy them right now, and they're between $400 and $600. So when they come out for $190 in December, a lot of people are going to be getting multiple pairs. They probably sell out within an hour. And because people know And a month later, this thing is going to probably double or triple. This is what's happening. So you have sneakers that are thousands of dollars. You know, you have Yeezys, you have Jordans. We're talking about ranging from $10,000 to $50,000 for sneakers. It's crazy. So the market is huge, and a lot of people are not taking advantage of it. And a lot of our people are not taking advantage of it. We buying the sneakers and wearing them as just, you know, to have them as a symbol, or just to say we balling, instead of paying attention to the huge monetary value and the huge investment opportunity in getting multiple sneakers, which you will want to get 8, 8.5, 10, 10.5, and 12, which is the most popular sizes that sell out all the time. So those sizes is what you want to buy. And those are the sizes that are reselling. Now, another thing about this market is you have places like Urban Necessities here in Las Vegas and other shoe stores that sell the vintage sneakers as well as used sneakers. Yep, used sneakers. Huge market for the resale of sneakers, believe it or not. Just look on eBay. And you have lightly worn, they'll call them, sneakers, to where, I mean, you look at them, I mean, you can't tell. They look brand new in a lot of cases, and people actually buy these sneakers. Now, me personally, I don't want to buy no sneakers that somebody actually wore, but a lot of cases it's sneakers that people tried on, or sneakers that people bought and, you know, just wore once or whatever like that and wanted to resell them for whatever reason. So you have places like Urban Necessity that sells brand new and used sneakers, as well as you have places like Stadium. You have places like GOAT, online places that basically they're like a middleman for people who trying to resell sneakers, not just Jordans and Nikes as well. The foams are huge. So what happens is if you have an account with them and you have these sneakers, what you can do is you can basically list that you have these sneakers for sale, and you put them on the site and everything like that. So if somebody comes up there and wants to buy them, what happens is they'll notify you. You send the sneakers to them. They'll make sure that they're authentic and everything like that, all legit. And then, you know, you get your money, they get their cut, and they send it to the buyer. But it's another huge way of making money here and there if you're a person who has the money to go out and, you know, and purchase multiple pairs of these sneakers. And when you look online at what these sneakers go for, I mean, it's a huge profit and a huge way to make money. And I mean, you just look at some of the sneakers that released already, that when they came out, you know, the price was $200, you know, $190, and now, you know, we're talking like $700 for sneakers. And, you know, you look at the foams, the Galaxy foams, you know, man, the Chinese New Year Jordans, we're talking about those when they came out was like $230. Now they're about, you know, $400. And the Galaxy foams, I mean, we're talking from $400 to about $1,500 and up, $2,000 in some cases for a lot of these sneakers. It's a huge business, a huge market in sneakers. And if you can go out and you have the money to purchase multiple pairs, it's a way to make big chunks of money, you know, sporadically here and there, depending on how much you buy and the popularity of the sneaker. So that's just another way that you can go ahead and make crazy money off of something really simple using the internet. Now, also another thing you can do if you're knowledgeable about sneakers and the popular sneakers that people have, you have a lot of sneakers out there with crazy colors and crazy styles. And in some cases with Jordans and Nikes, they do release shirts to match with sneakers. They release, you know, jerseys and shorts or what have you to match with some sneakers, but they're basic styles, nothing too crazy. And some of them are okay, but you have a lot of people now who are taking advantage of the sneaker craze. And what they are doing is they are designing shirts to basically match with a lot of these, real popular, sneakers. It's a huge market for this. A lot of people are looking for clothes to match a lot of these sneakers and things to go with them. And a lot of people are being really creative with a lot of these shirts and designs. So if you are a person who has design skills or Photoshop skills and you know what you're doing, that is a huge market. A lot of people will take their shirt designs. And as I showed you with Print Aura and Shopify, how you can go ahead and just upload your image onto the shirt and everything and just boom. You know, a lot of people will show that shirt with the sneakers when they advertise the shirt for sale and just let people know that, hey, this shirt will match these sneakers, it'll match these foams or these Jordans or these Nikes or these, you know, the Air Max or what have you. And it's huge.